Incorporating an LLP provides a secure foundation for your entrepreneurial journey, blending the best aspects of partnerships and corporations. As you take these essential steps, imagine the exciting possibilities of innovation and collaboration that lie ahead. Embrace this path to safeguard your future while maneuvering with the flexibility you'll need to thrive in business. Your diligence now will pay off as you lay down the groundwork for success. So, don't hesitate. Let's dive right into the process of making your business vision a reality. First, begin by choosing a unique name for your LLP that resonates with your brand identity and vision. Be sure to include LLP at the end to fulfill legal requirements, setting the stage for your enterprise. This crucial first step reflects not just on your firm's identity but also on your commitment to professionalism in the business landscape. Once you've brainstormed potential names, it's time to verify their availability on the MCA portal. This will prevent any setbacks caused by selecting a name that's already registered and allow you to proceed confidently. Remember, your chosen name will be the face of your business. Therefore, it should be memorable and distinct in your industry. After ensuring your name is available, the next step involves gathering all the necessary documents. You will need proof of identity for each partner, which can be provided through documents such as an Aadhaar card or passport. These vital pieces of information are not just formalities. They represent your commitment to transparency and accountability in your new venture. Additionally, it's essential to collect address proof for your LLP's registered office, which can be furnished by a utility bill or a rental agreement. Having these documents prepared ahead of time streamlines the process significantly and ensures that you are ready for the next stages of your incorporation. Once you're organized, we'll move on to the digital registration process. Next, visit the MCA portal and create a user account. This registration will grant you access to essential forms and services necessary for your LLP incorporation. Carefully follow the prompts, ensuring that all your information is accurate and up to date. Your user account is the gateway to managing your LLP's legal requirements effectively, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Once registered, you will be well prepared to continue with the incorporation process. Fill out the incorporation form, known as FiLLiP, on the portal, ensuring you provide comprehensive details about all partners and the LLP's name. After completing the FiLLiP form and ensuring all details are correct, upload your documents alongside it. This next step is critical, as clarity and accuracy will facilitate a smooth review process by the registrar. Stay attentive, as your diligence now sets the stage for a successful LLP formation.